Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and the game keeps crashing on Steam, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert crashing on Steam easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Steam, and now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the Crimson Desert game. You're going to go into properties. I'm going to use another game as an example. You're going to go into install files, and then you're going to click on to verify integrity of game files on Crimson Desert. Afterwards, you're going to click on to browse here, and now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the Crimson Desert exe, click properties, click compatibility, click run this program as an administrator. Afterwards, click apply and then OK, and then close this up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, and then you're going to search for AMD GPU. I'll show you AMD first, and then I'll show you NVIDIA. So just go on to amd.com, click resources and support, click drivers, scroll down, click graphics, then select Radeon RX, click your graphic card series, and then select your graphic card, click submit, click your operating system, download the latest driver and then install it. And now I'll show you NVIDIA. You're gonna go on to nvidia.com here, click drivers. You're gonna scroll down here and you're gonna fill in this manual driver search form. Click start search, then let it find the correct driver for you. Here it is. You're gonna download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver and then install it. Once it's done installing, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your start menu. You're gonna write here graphics settings, and then you're going to click on to add desktop app here. You're going to go to the Crimson Desert folder. It should be in your C drive from file 36, Steam, and then Steam apps, common, Crimson Desert. Here it is, Crimson Desert exe. Click add then, and then you're going to click on to Crimson Desert here. Click GPU preference and set it to high performance then. Afterwards, close this up. You're going to restart your computer. Once it's done restarting, now you're going to open up Crimson Desert, and then you're going to go to your video settings here and you're going to turn on VSync. So just turn VSync on, and if you have a high refresh rate monitor, turn the refresh rate to below 120, so either 60 or 75. You can also try turning on upscaling, so just turn upscaling off as well. And then you're going to go into the graphics settings here, and now you're going to set this preset to the minimum, so either minimum or performance, set it to that. Afterwards, go into languages and gameplay. You're going to turn off 3D node info and map, so just turn it off. And then you're going to go into accessibility, and then you can turn particle effects quality to 0, so just set it to 0 as well. After you're done with all of those settings, you're going to restart your Crimson Desert, and now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.